Located in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, Manaus is bordered by the Negro and Solimes rivers, and features a unique urban fabric, where the city intertwines with a network of rivers, creating a constant connection with the water, and the dynamics of the floods and low water periods. The residence's design responds to the demanding environmental conditions of Manaus, characterized by extreme heat, high humidity, and a high rainfall index. The site benefits from the easterly winds that pass through its longitudinal extension, allowing for the exploration of natural ventilation as a fundamental strategy for thermal comfort. Additionally, the design incorporates solutions such as the creation of wide shaded areas, high ceilings, and the use of materials with low thermal inertia. The residence was designed in a C-shape, creating a central courtyard that integrates the internal and external spaces. This configuration allowed for the creation of 8 facades that enhance the connection with the outside, fulfilling the residents' desire for a home without clear boundaries between inside and outside. To mitigate direct sun exposure and reduce heat accumulation, the design includes a perforated roof that promotes cross-ventilation, ensuring a constant airflow and cooling of the interior spaces. With landscaping composed of native vegetation, the house not only mimics the surrounding forest, but also requires minimal maintenance, respecting the local ecosystem. In addition, it adopts sustainable practices, such as the use of photovoltaic panels for energy generation, a biodigester system for wastewater treatment, and the reuse of rainwater for irrigation and cleaning, integrating with the natural water cycle of the region. This is a project that engages with its surroundings, offering a home that celebrates integration with nature.